Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you very much. Ukuthi ungene ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like video, share video as well. So in this particular video sizodiscuss uMbuyiseni Ndlozi. We saw that ukuthi he has finally left EFF. Sabona last time kwakuthiwa he left as the member of parliament, but this time around kuthiwa ke usulile nje ka EFF. uMbuyiseni Ndlozi, there is a clip that ngizothanda ukuthi nginamekelana sizobuka uMbuyiseni Ndlozi echaza ke udaba lwakhe lokushiya ka EFF, and then bebhalile lapha nephepheni kaSoleza bethi ngemva ke kogeqamaqo lakhe ngokumiswa eqenjini ngezinsolo zokuthi ke uhlelo ukujoin iMK party futhi nje usebenza abathi lokuvikela ke umbuso we-EFF. Udokotela uMbuyiseni Ndlozi useqome ukusula kwelika Julius Malema agxile kwezemfundo. Sizwile ukuthi kuthiwe ke uzobhekana nezemfundo, something like that. So ngobuningi sasibheka ukuthi mhlawumbe uzoya ka MK party, sabona ke abe-ANC bethi he is welcome, he can come ka ANC. Mina ngaya ngithi mhlawumbe uzofuna uqale lakhe. Baningi phela guys besuke emaqenjini, abanye beyoqala wabo, yona into engangicabanga nami ngingedwa nje. But it sounds like uMbuyiseni Ndlozi uthi, you know what, I'm just leaving politics, ngishiya ka EFF, ngishiya nje politics, ngathi akasayingeni. Impatho kade ephethe ngayo laphana ka EFF ngobuningi besikhala nje sithi why uMbuyiseni Ndlozi angashiyi bafethu, because wow, the way bamthutha ngakhona kuyabonisa nje ukuthi abasamfuni nje, like they don't appreciate him at all, into kanjalo bafethu. Hayi ukuthi we've got anything against EFF, sengiyasho nje ukuthi ngendlela nje naleya conference yabakhona kuthiwa he is not invited, he was like unwanted. It felt like vele angathi abamfuna, abafuni nje asondele kulezo nhlangano abazobe benazo, into kanjalo kuthiwa he is not invited, and bebesola ukuthi kukhona abangase bamvotele ukuthi abe ngisekela mongameli. So ba make sure ukuthi akasondeli lapho. Abantu bethi Ndlozi, why are you still there? Ngiyabona ukuthi labantu abakufuni, but anyways ekugcineni usesulile ke uMbuyiseni Ndlozi. Nizothi ukunameka enye ivideo engibonile kaMbuyiseni ekhuluma lapha bebe bakhuluma ngaye laphana ka I think that is uZimoja. Anyway, like each and every publication, but anyways kaZimoja bebethe uNdlozi resigns and ends the toxic relationship with the EFF. Ayibe toxic ngempela bafethu qinisweni. Former EFF Economic Freedom Fighters member of parliament and spokesperson uMbuyiseni Ndlozi has ended his 10-year relationship with the party known as the People's Bay. Ndlozi confirmed that he was suspended from the party 6 weeks before the National Parties Assemble and instructed to desist from participating in any activity related to the EFF. In a statement Ndlozi issued by the EFF, January, the party claimed that Ndlozi and another MP member resigned voluntarily. But he has since clarified during the interview ukuthi the SABC during the SABC interview ukuthi he was instructed to do so. The party said in a statement then, but we have received the voluntary resignations of fighter Yazini Techana and the fighter Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Now, as representatives of the EFF in the Parliament of South Africa, they have both exemplary in their deployments and acted as commendable public representatives. And now, Ndlozi said, I couldn't attend the EFF conference. I was suspended about 6 weeks before that conference. Why suspendiwe ukungabonakali kwakhe kule conference, and the suspension was unconventional in that it didn't rely on the code of conduct of the EFF, but largely the suspension rested on 2 counts. They claimed that I'm part of the infiltration strategy by the MK party, and the second being the fact that I knew about Shivambu's departure. He clarified that he has no intention of joining Shivambu at the MK party led by former President Jacob Zuma. What I can state categorically now that I never planned to join the MK party. I still don't. I never worked with anyone in the MK party concerning some conspiracy about my departure. Khumbula abantu abaningi babethi uNdlozi mhlawumbe kungenzeka uyolandela uShivambu, since lapha ekuhambeni kaShivambu wayethena uShivambu kahle kahle babethi asambeni as a group, but sasesithi thina asambeni nga-1-1. So a lot of people were thinking ukuthi njengoba bethe abahambe as a group, mhlawumbe ke sabona phela kuhamba umama uMkhwebane, kuhamba who's that who's that ubaba loya ongathi uyi-lawyer, something like that. Bahamba bafowethu bonke bahamba ka-1-1. So sasicabanga ukuthi kushuthi uNdlozi naye mesuka lapho uyakhona ka-MK Party uthi hayibo angikazi nje ngaplana nokuya ka-MK Party ngilandele uShivambu anything. So yonke leyo nto bafowethu uNdlozi was rubbishing all those claims ukuthi bathi yena waresigna ntontono uthi hey, I was told not to set my foot there. Now uNdlozi uthena he would no longer be entertaining party politics, citing that he has served his purpose and will focus on other things while confirming his official resignation. Uthi I have decided to step away completely from party politics. I'm leaving party politics. I think I have made my contribution in that space. We don't live in one party state. We are not in the camps. We are not a band. Politics is a free activity in South Africa. Party politics are not a monopoly on making social media contributions. I think after this episode, I've decided to leave all party politics and contribute in the first instance to the academy. That was Ndlozi. He added, what I have handed over my resignation. I have left the EFF. I have left party politics now. EFF is a political party. I have handed over my resignation as a member, and it is because where I want to go and contribute, I can't hold a single party membership. But overall, I think that I've made my contribution, and I think they are brilliant young men and women, old men and women in this space that will continue in that category. That is uMbuyiseni Ndlozi njengoba ke besula laphana eqenjini le-EFF. Kuningi ngaye bafethu kokusakhulunywa uyatrenda kulamalanga ke okunye nokunye. I'll meet you again on my next upload. Ungakhohlwa ke ukulike nokushare. Thank you so much. Sizohlangana kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.